Good morning students. As we have learnt articles in previous video, now we will solve worksheet. Now worksheet number 2. In the sentences given below, filling the blanks using A or N. Now let's see. First is, my father is dash honest man. With honest, O sound is here, we will use N. Next is, he is very rich, still he drives dash old car. O sound is here, we will use here N. Next is, would you like, third, there is dash lake. With lake we will use A. Fourth sentence, would you like dash cold drink? Would you like a cold drink? Next is, it was dash our long ordeal. R means A sound is here, we will use here N. Next, I am reading dash excellent book. I am reading an excellent book. Next, who needs dash umbrella? With umbrella we will use here N. Next, dash one-eyed man is not eligible to get dash driving license. Now look at here. O is there but sound is of V, one-eyed man. So we will use here A, not N. Remember it. We will check the sound. Accordingly we will fill articles. Next sentence is, of all the shopping you have done, I see only this book as a dash, as a useful thing. Now again, U is vowel but sound is of Y. It's a consonant sound, so we will use here A. Clear? Next is, Dan is dash European. Again with European we will use here A. Clear this worksheet? Now move to worksheet 3. Write the correct article A or N in the following blanks, or put its a sign. Put this sign wherever it is not necessary. Clear? Now first is, there was dash emergency. There was an emergency. Next, he got his higher education at dash university. At a university. Next is, Hina thought it would be dash good idea. It would be a good idea to join a union. Again, please beta, remember it. We will not check the letter, you will check the sound. We are looking for dash accommodation. With accommodation we will not use any article, we will put here this sign. Clear? Next, give these children dash inch. With inch, an inch, and they'll take a yard. Clear? Next, will you buy for me dash loaf? A loaf of bread. A loaf of bread means a big piece of bread. Clear? A loaf of bread. Next, he mustered dash courage. Now courage is abstract noun, so here no article will be used. Next is, the boy gave me dash 1 rupee. Again I have explained you earlier why we will use here A. Next is, dash man of dash wisdom lives in dash fort 2 kilometers from here. Now, a man of wisdom. With man we will use here A, and with wisdom we will not use any article, and lives in a fort. Clear? Now next, now this worksheet is clear, worksheet 3? Yes. Now we will move to worksheet 4. Clear? First is, now read the heading, match column A with column B to understand the use of the. Now first is, the man with the golden pen. Now look at here, the man with the golden pen. When we particularize a person or a thing, now here we are particularizing the person, that the man with a golden pen. Clear? Now we will put here A. Next is, I bought a book. The book is about ghosts. Now again here with book we have used here a. Next book we have used here the. Now it's here when we talked about a person or thing before. There we will use the. Clear? Whenever we have talked a person or a thing before, there we will use the. The next one is the United States of America. Now look at here. Before the name of a country that includes a common noun. Clear? Now States of America is here. No common noun is here. That's why we use here. We have used here the. Next is the president. Now president is not a common man. So when a person or thing is unique, ठीक है ना? There we will use the. Next is the Brahmaputra. Now Brahmaputra is name of river. Before the name of a river we use the. Next is the Himalayas. Now Himalaya is mountain range. Clear? So that's why we will use here the before the name of a mountain range. So this is the sequence. Clear? This worksheet is clear to all of you. Worksheet 4. Now we will move to worksheet number 5. Now first of all the heading is read the sentences and write 1 to 5 in the boxes against them depending on how the underlined article the has been used. Clear? Now look at here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. We will read the sentences and then we will use. Now first sentence, look at here the sentence. The Kaziranga sanctuary is in Assam. Now here I have put number 3. Why? When a person or thing is unique. Now Kaziranga sanctuary is unique na, that's why the is used. So here number 3 will be there. Next is the sun rises in the east. Again sun and east direction is unique. Again 3 number will be there. Next, he has invited us to his party. The party will be on a house boat. Now we have talked about party earlier. Again we are talking about party. So here number 2 will be used when we have talked about a person or thing before. Clear? Now the next is I visited the lady who looks after the orphanage. Now here first the lady means when a person we have particulars na ki the lady particular we are talking about this lady. I visited the lady. Which lady? Who looks after the orphanage. Now for this the orphanage is not a common place na, it's a unique. So if here we will use number 3. Next one is the air in the mountains is refreshing. Now the air particularized number 1. Clear? The air, look at here 1 and after this number 5. Next one is he plans to climb the Himalayas. Again Himalayas mountain range. Number 4 rivers or ranges of mountains. Here number 5 should be there. Next one is Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Now here which number should be used? Number 1. Why? Person is particularized. We have particularized that Lucknow is the capital. Particular is there now. Clear? Next. The daughter of the king married a pauper. Pauper means a poor person. ठीक है ना? Now the daughter here, which number should be used? Number 1. Particularized. Clear? Now the king is a common man? No, it's unique. So here number 3 will be there. First for first number 1 and for next number 3. Clear beta? Now next is the priest is the head of the village community. Now the priest is not a common man. So here we will use number 3. And head of the village. Now we are particularizing these things. So here which number should be used? Number 1. Number 3 and number 1. Next is Glenda has gone to the United States. The United States. Now for countries whose name includes a common name. So here number 4. and she wants to sail across the Mississippi. Now it's a river, so for ranges of rivers or ranges we will use number 5. Clear? Now this is the answers. Hope you understood. Now we will move to worksheet 6. Now we will read the sentences and we will check. We will put right or cross ki whether this sentence is right or wrong. Now first example is given to you. Rohan loves the food, or Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. Why the food? Because his granny cooks. So here number it will be correct and first one will be wrong. Now next is the children were playing in center of the park. No, the children were playing in the center of the park. It will be correct. Next is Megha will be going to United Kingdom to visit her aunt. Now Megha will be going to the United Kingdom to visit her aunt. Which one will be? Yes, very good. This one will be because common noun. Clear? Next, yesterday I met Prime Minister. Now Prime Minister is a common man? No, so it will be wrong. Yesterday I met the Prime Minister of India. It will be correct. Next one is the Himalayas. Now it's very we have done earlier ki with mountain range, so the will be correct or Himalayas the. So this one will be correct and it's wrong. Next is Anurag is the boy who has won the championship, or Anurag is a boy. Now we are specifying here na Anurag, so it will be correct and it's wrong. Clear beta? Okay, fill your book, complete your books.